What makes you love strawberries? Is it because of its unique taste? Or it reminds you of something romantic? Or is it just an easy fruit to add to your diet? Whatever it may be, strawberries are nutritious and packed with a lot of health benefits. This video will discuss 5 of them. The nutrient in just 3.5 oz, which is about 100 grams of raw strawberries, includes 91% of water, 0.7 grams of protein, 7.7 grams of carbs, 4.5 grams of sugar, 2 grams of fiber, and has just 0.3 grams of fat, and all consists of just 32 calories. Let's jump into some health benefits. 1 health benefits of strawberry is healthy heart. Heart disease is the leading cause of death globally, according to the World Health Organization. Studies have found that berries like strawberries contain anthocyanin, a plant compound that improves heart health. A study done with middle-aged people with risk factors for heart diseases shows that berries like strawberries improve good cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure and increase blood platelets functions. When it comes to a healthy heart, strawberry has also been reported to improve blood antioxidant status, decreases oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, improve your blood profile, and reduce harmful oxidation of the bad cholesterol. Another health benefits of strawberry is boosting your immune system. When it comes to boosting your immune system, you probably think of vitamin C and citrus fruits like oranges, which is perfectly right. However, did you know strawberries are also an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese? Some of the vital nutrients that enhance immune health? Yes, so try adding them to your diet for your healthy immunity. You need a healthy immune system to fight infections to stay healthy. So fruit that enhances it like strawberry should be your favorite too. 3. Cancer prevention. Cancer is the second leading cause of death globally, according to the World Health Organization. Several studies suggest that berries may help prevent several types of cancer through their ability to fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Strawberries have been shown to inhibit tumor formation in animals with mouth cancer and in human liver cancer cells. 4. Aid in weight loss. Are you looking to maintain or lose a healthy weight? Add strawberries to your diet. Strawberries are very low in calories and contain about 2 grams of fibers, both soluble and insoluble. Dietary fibers are important because they feed the good bacteria in your gut and also improve digestion, which is an important process that helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Strawberries are also good for diabetic patients. Diabetic patients are required to eat foods with the low glycemic index. If you are hearing the glycemic index for the first time, it simply means a value used to measure how much specific foods increase blood sugar levels in your body after eating. You will be happy to hear that strawberries have a glycemic index score of 40, which is a relatively very low. This means that strawberries don't increase blood sugar levels and are considered safe for people with diabetes. Maintaining a healthy vision and giving you healthy skin are also some other great reasons why you should add strawberries to your diet regularly. What other benefits do you know we can get from strawberries? Share with us in the comments section below. And don't forget to tell us why you love strawberries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.